buyers are going to go for your jugular. They just will. Everyone's pretty sure we've hit the bottom. We're really struggling with buyers not thinking it's 2008 and that they can get away with everything, and that sellers still think it's 2021 and they can do aspirational pricing. Interest rates, that's what everyone's talking about right now in relationship to the Fed and it trimming its policy rate by 1/4 point last week. So that's not the mortgage rates. That's the overnight bank rate. The 30-year mortgages follow the 10-year treasury and inflation expectations. Mortgage rates have eased to roughly the low sixes. I had a buyer just get approved at 6.3, which is still way less than a few months ago. So if inflation keeps cooling and the Fed makes additional small cuts, we should expect a gradual drift into lower interest rates into 2026, which is super exciting. But what does this mean? So buyers, compare your lenders, consider still buying points to make it more affordable for you. Y'all, we still have a tremendous amount of inventory here in Austin. We are down to about a little over 6 months in Austin proper. A few months ago, it was around 8 months, so that's an improvement. The median price keeps going up, which means homes are selling for more, contrary to what you're all thinking, but really pricing is everything. I've got listings that literally agents are calling me and saying, my buyer is really interested in your house, in your listing, but it seems overpriced. My buyers don't even want to go look at an overpriced listing. We're really struggling with buyers not thinking it's 2008 and that they can get away with everything, and that sellers still think it's 2021 and they can do aspirational pricing. I just read a report that came out today about how pricing and condition is everything. Buyers are willing to pay for an updated house. Seller might do better with as-is pricing than rolling the dice and spending a ton of money on upgrades right now, depending on their expectations and how much equity they have in their house. So pricing is key. Getting hyper local with the data per your neighborhood, etc., is important. But honestly, buyers are sort of looking at the market as a blanket overall. And so if you really need to sell right now, you've got to work with an agent that's going to be realistic about what you can get for your house, guide you in the right way as far as improvements and make ready, and really fight for you in negotiations, because the buyers are going to go for your jugular. They just will. Buyers are it's still to a buyer, 6% still feels expensive to borrow money, but the buyers are there. Anyway, that is my quick market update for the month. I've got a couple listings coming soon. We are helping buyers out there. If you or anyone you know needs help, please send them my way. I'll take very good care of them. And as you know, we want you to love where you live.